Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start Max NCERT chapter number 10, Play with Patterns. So first we will see what is pattern. Pattern means a design. A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals over a surface. So we can see with help of shapes also we can make a pattern. First we done square, then circle, square, circle, square, circle. This way it will make a pattern. Okay, it will repeat after one in a regular intervals over a surface. Then same way triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. This will make a pattern. Now with help of lines also we can make a design, which is also known as pattern. We will see these designs in a floor. Now let's start our chapter number 10, Play with Patterns, page number 107. Tino used this block design to make sari. Now what is meaning of block? Block means like this way they will have the block of designs, different types of designs. So with help of this block they will make a design on a cloth. So first what they will do, they will dip this block in a color, different color. So like this way they will dip the block in a color and they will make a design in the cloth. So same way here Tino used this block to make a sari. So here he using this block, this design to make a sari more beautiful. Next he made this bed sheet with the same block. So with same block he is making the now design for bed sheet. So with same block now he is doing in a four direction using the same block, first, second, third, fourth, to make a other design. Now page number 108. He also made this dupatta with the same block. Now he also decorated the dupatta with the same block. One he done in same direction, other in the opposite direction. Like this way he done full dupatta with the same block. Can you see how Dino has made different patterns using the same block? Now you too make three different patterns using this design. Now with help of this design we have to make a three patterns. So as students you can do it by yourself also. So first pattern is the same design in the same direction. Okay, here the design should be in the same direction, so it will make one pattern. Then pattern 2, so one in same direction and other in opposite direction. So one in same direction, other in opposite direction, so this also make a pattern. Now pattern 3, so first design is in same direction and other in slipping direction. Okay, so first same direction, slipping direction, same direction, slipping direction. So this also make a pattern. Now page number 109. Yamini has used her blocks to make a few patterns. Help her to take this pattern forward. Now here Yamini has done some patterns and now we have to complete these boxes according to her pattern. So first she used leaf. So one leaf she is used, then two, then three, then four. Again she started with one. So we will do two, then three, then four. Now here arrows she is used. First one is upward, then downward, then upward, then upward, then downward, downward, then upward. Okay, so this way she has used the design. Then circle she has done in a shading part. So one in the right side up circle is shaded, then right side down, then left side down, then left side up, then again it started right side up and right side down. So this way we have to complete the pattern. Now we can also make pattern with numbers and letters. So here till here we have seen with help of shapes and lines. Okay, so now we will do the pattern with help of numbers and letters. Below are a few examples. Can you take them forward? So first pattern is A, B, C, then D, E, F, G, H, I. Then what will come forward? We will write I after J, K, L, M, and O, P, Q, R. Then second pattern 28 Z, then 27 Y, then 26 X. So numbers are going in reverse and alphabet also going in reverse. So 26X after we will write 25 W, then 24 V, then 23 U. Now next pattern 864, 764, 664. Then we will write 564, 464, then 364. Now next pattern 9, 109, 209, then 309, 409, and 509. Okay, so this way we will make with help of numbers and letters pattern. Now same page 109. Now write your own number pattern. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Then other pattern 850, 750, 650, 550, 450, 350. Your students can also write other pattern also in this.